Frankenstein here with Maximum Overdrive. Today we're going to install a FAR mudding rack that was sponsored to us during Mud Nationals. I'm going to show y'all how easy this thing is to put on. And I tell you what, this rack is no joke. Solid steel. I think it's going to be the perfect addition to Maximum Overdrive. Be able to handle them wheelies in and out of the mud holes. All right, get my toolbox here. First off, we're going to start with removing these 4 Torx that are 27s, so we can install this base plate. Now, FAR mudding has a lot of different products. They've got halos, they've got rock lights, they've got, of course, racks, and they've also got footwells and a few other products. I suggest you check out their online store at farmudding.com, F-A-R mudding.com. What's sad is I've taken these off hundreds of times already on a brand new bike, but yet it still takes forever to get them off. All right, now we're going to take the base plate and somewhat line it up in here and get these back started in. All right, now that we just got those sitting there, and this up here. Now with these racks, it comes with everything that you need to install these. And it even comes with this awesome embroidered keychain. And of course, you always got to have the stickers, because stickers always add 5 more horsepower per sticker. All right, move this out of the way. Let's set this monstrosity up here of awesomeness. See, that looks cool as hell. Look at that, just so easy to be able to just put them in there like that. There we go. Then you can tighten those up. And this, of course, I purchased this Pelican box separately, but they also offer them with the racks. Slides right in there for perfect fit. I can put my cell phone, because I'm good at losing my cell phone out on rides. All right, we'll set this off to the side, tighten the bottom down, and then tighten that one up. You'll make sure everything's tight, but don't overstress the bolts. Because you could end up snapping a bolt off, and that's never fun. All right. All right, let's see what size these are now. I ought to know. Got my hands full here. There we go. Well, shoot. We'll come back to that one here in just a minute. I normally have a little magnetic tray that I keep all this stuff in, but I decided not to use it today. But luckily, it didn't run away too far. About these carriage head bolts that they supply with this is that you ain't got to worry about getting caught on the top end of them and tearing your clothes up, or snagging a set of waders. I guess that's pretty darn tight. If it's coming off, it's tight. All right. The rack is successfully installed. Now to put that on there, and look at that. That's one of the easiest installs of a rack I've ever done. Less than 10 minutes. Man, you can't beat that. They've got the best prices and the best product. Now, it's time to test this thing out and see if it can handle Frankenstein. Man, my foot never did slip off the back of this. And if I got mud back here, my foot's definitely not gonna move. This is an awesome rack. I'm glad I got it. Remember, far mudding for all your accessories.